So ladies and gentlemen, that now concludes the whiny section of this video. I let my bike warm up for a second. Hold up. I didn't realize I was sitting for so long. I'm sorry. I love the Ducati meets. I just kind of get a little overwhelmed sometimes, so it's a little much. What is going on? Me and you, buddy. I'm gonna go interact with some of these people. This sounds interesting. We're gonna die. Are we rolling out here? What are we doing? What's going on here? Someone's definitely gonna go down here. Anyone see Pat? The plate is just rubbing up against the swing arm. Heck yeah, be good. Where are you guys at? Oh, there you are. I see ya. Where's Trey at? This is chaos. When you turn the wheel, there's a tightness, like there's a tight spot in the chain. You have to look for the tight spot and then go from there. Where's Trey at? So he's not here. Then where is he? He's right there. Oh, should we turn around and go find him? I'm like, I'm sorry, my mind can't comprehend that he's still riding that thing while it's spitting oil. Anyone tell him, like, hey, maybe you should stop? Like, maybe you should stop, your bike's leaking a bunch of oil? No? Alright, cool. Okay, where is this man? So I don't see him here, so that means he must be still back on the highway, correct? Okay. Should we turn around and go get him? Okay, well, let's do that. Hey, bro, make sure you're alright. I would do that for any single one of you guys, too. I'm just saying, like, make sure he's alright. I mean, that's a fucking traumatic experience. It's your bike blowing up. I would want you guys to do the same for me, so. I should probably, let's see if we get the light here. It'll help me out tremendously. Thank you. Alright, pop in a Yui. Truck's gonna have to wait. We have the right of way, we have the arrows, so. I don't even know how to get to that exit. Do we just have to hop on here and then turn around at some point? Ooh, that's a tight squeeze there, bud. That's a little weird. It's kind of a funny feeling, but. Alright?
Yeah, I must have just tightened it too much. The Gorilla might have just fucking a little bit too much.
Cranked it down too hard?
Also getting on and popping wheelie after wheelie like right after. I wonder why the back end.
It looks like your drain plug just came out. It looks like it was a drain bolt, dude. You gotta torque them Johns down. It smells like burnt valves.
Burnt valves?
I said no, it smells like burnt valves.
Oh, burnt.
See with the oil all over his tire? Glad you're alright though.
Yeah, thanks, man. I wasn't like tweaking. I just saw smoke and I was like, oh.
I heard them saying a bunch of. I couldn't really hear anything, so that's why I was like.
Everybody was freaking out. I'm like, dude, it's just smoke off the headers. Like, what are you guys tweaking about? Oh yeah, there's oil all over the place. That's when I was like, oh, something's wrong. You gave me the owl eyes, and I was like, oh god. So long story short, I put my drain plug on too tight, and it blew out.
I'm surprised they rode that thing out, dude. There's barely any oil left in there.
Yeah, no.
Yeah.
Because like I was backtracking them, and like for a second I thought it was smoke just off the headers, and then I realized
he went around that corner too, didn't he?
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Probably a mile and a half back where it just blew off. I don't know.
Was it running the whole time?
That's what I'm curious about, is when he cut the switch. He coasted from back there, but beyond that, exit ramp, I don't know.
taking his helmet off. Like,
it's honestly a really good like Suzuki advertisement here, but boom, blown into smithereens. She got a couple of metal chunks. There's a little bit of it here. There's a little bit over there. I think a little bit it's still back on 480. Trayden's alive. He's good. He's walking around, but no, Blake is not. I don't know when he even hit the kill switch on it, but that thing is pretty tough.
Over tightened the drain plug and it blew out.
Awkward.
And I don't know, because I ran over.
Well, no, so they didn't even stop. I'm like, hey, you guys all right?
Drain plug's gone.
It's definitely oil, dude. So let's save some for your next oil change.
Just scoop it back up. Put it back in. Just put it back in the engine.
The pebbles are fine. They'll melt down.
Word. Okay.
I remember that.
Dude, he rode this thing out the entire time. That's what I'm in shock about. I can't believe he's all right. I know this BMW is unreliable. Never had one blow out a drain plate.
Hey, count your blessings, man.
That's what's next. I just jinxed myself. It's over.
There's about an eighth of a quart under my bike right now, so there might be 3.
I feel like we should, I mean, it's not a bad spot to be, but I feel like we should probably just wheel it around and put it in this parking lot.
Fixer for sale, 13K.
I'm thinking all these, oh my god, that lady looked at us like we're insane. That's crazy.
What are you doing?
Yep. All right, well, I'm going to make some calls to figure out when though. Oh shit. You almost threw it up. Dude.
That would have been wild.
What is happening right now, dude?
How long was he riding like this?
Since 480. Like, since way back there. He rode it out for a while. I feel like getting the bike out of the road is probably a good place to start, but I mean, it's again, it's not in a bad spot, so it's not just to get it out of the road so the cops don't get mad about it, because I don't think he has a plate on. My advice, I don't know, you don't have to listen to me. I don't know what I'm talking about. Oh, he does have a plate. Okay, well, that's good. Would say it fell off, and the craziest thing, the plate ripped off too. That's
Dude, so officer, my exhaust was on there. It blew off, took my entire fender off, and
it's one of the craziest things I ever saw.
dude, it's just crazy. And my drain plug blew out with the exhaust because
you're never gonna believe this.
So is it under warranty, or do we have a new parts bike on Facebook?
Warranty? Brother, that's Japanese.
Yeah, clearly not one of the. So no warranty, I assume. No, okay. Ooh, I just grabbed a handful of oil. I don't know why I just did that. What is wrong with you, dude? That's probably better. Put on my nice jeans. That was a little bit of a strange detour. It's not every day that your mate's bike just blows up.
We'll see ya. You guys.
Good luck getting on the trailer. Ugh. All right, watch these cars here. Oh, really watch these cars. All right, he's coming for me. Take me, please.
Take me with you.
There's been
maybe not me, but maybe just like my bike and his bike.
I feel like there's just been like so much weird things happening lately. I don't know. It just always feels very strange. What are the chances that it happens? It's such a low chance. I don't even put my earplugs in. I have so much sensory things going on right now.
Bro, see, look how tight it is when I'm sitting on it, though.
Well, that's what I'm saying, because the chain varies in tightness. That's why you have to rotate the tire until you find the tightest spot.
And then you tighten it from there?
Yeah, from the tightest spot. Yeah.
I was like, bro, this is so loose right here. I'm like, every time I get on it, it turns like fucking ding, ding.
Yeah.
Just rock solid.
This is why before I started getting my stuff done at Ducati, I was looking into shaft drive bikes because it's so much easier to maintain.
Yeah. I've never had a problem with it, though. That's what I don't understand. Damn, bro, there's just so many people here.
This means bigger than Ducati, dude. I don't know how they do it.
Advertised for like hoggers. Like a dude at my work.
Oh.
He was like, hey, you going to that meet tonight? I'm like, god damn, those lights are bright, dude.
Staring into the goddamn sun. I feel like hitting him with the laser beams on this thing. All right, I'm gonna go this way. Where did all the sport bikes park? Did they leave already, or?
Sport bikes are all the way down to that corner.
Oh, I gotta go park with my people. I'm thinking nice chill ride. You know, we kind of just got done with a lot of hectic shit. We kind of just want to go vibe out for a little bit. Yeah, a little bit.
Stimulation.
A little bit. That's what I'm preaching.
Jake, check out this bird, bro.
That's sick, dude.
Dude, crazy, huh?
Talented, bro.
Crazy. It's crazy what you can do with your hands.
Dude, imagine if I just pulled on this really hard and it came down on top of that cop car.
Imagine if you climbed it and sat on top of the light.
I would, actually.
And then you got scared. You're like, someone help me! I can't get down.
Definitely a cop watching me over there. Like, this dude's probably high as shit. That's a fact. Out of my head. It's amazing that you got that many miles out of that bike. All things considered.
Bro, this thing is crazy.
How many miles you have?
I'm almost at 30,000.
I'm almost at 17.
Catch up, buddy. Catch up.
5,500. You know, at 6,000, I got to take this back to BMW to get a code cleared.
You're gonna have to take it back a little bit before that, probably too. Get rid of it.
Let's see.
I'm working on it, man. I can't believe 650 Abe rode this bike, dude. That makes me so mad. I was like, literally, I was like talking myself into keeping it too the other day. I was like, yeah, I'm just gonna, you know, hold on to it for a little bit and maybe sell it. Well, no, Frank, his S1K just blew a water pump.
The 18 or the new one?
The 24, yeah. The new one. Yeah, his just blew a water pump too. Oh, I forgot. I need to start collecting bugs. That's something I need to start doing.
Bugs? You should try. You should try Animal Crossing. It's a much less gross way to collect bugs.
I need 30 different species of bugs apparently, and I kind of forgot about that. I need to start collecting more.
How do you keep them though?
Oh,
You know, you should come to our work. You can catch those spotted lanternflies.
I would love one of those spotted lanternflies actually.
Roger. Roger into Raj for 10-4, brother.
Here? Like turn right here?
Yeah. That's right. Take a right.
At the light.
Doesn't look like a great place to make a right, but I'll try.
He's like, but there's a driveway.
More or less referring to the road surface that we were riding on.
This is
it's not that bad.